Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can archive your website or a site project on Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. Now, here guys on Webflow, you don't do this through the web designer. You will need to, or website designer, you will need to navigate back to your dashboard. And here in your dashboard, click into all sites to get an overview of all of your sites within the workspace. If necessary, you may need to navigate to a folder if the given site has been stored there. So let me go with this example site here. What you will need to do is click into these three dots, select archive, and confirm the archiving by clicking into this button here. Before you do that though, Webflow or website builder will ask you for confirmation by entering or typing the exact website name here. Just remember guys that if you do that, your website project will be set to private, it will be unpublished, and all your co-editors in the given workspace will lose access to it, of course, which makes sense. So click into this button if you want to do this, or click into cancel here to not do this, which is my choice right now. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.